all that we had. I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me. So close to the edge of something so worth it.
Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn here. I'm with Wholesale Halloween Costumes, and if you would like to see how to create this Egyptian makeup look, then just keep watching. Alrighty, so I have my foundation and my powder already done. I'm going to go in and contour my face. So starting with my cheekbones, blending it out nicely for that contoured look, working to my temple / forehead and along my jawline. Once that's all done, I'm going to fill in my brows. I'm going in with a black pencil brow, and I'm just filling and outlining how I would like them to be. So getting the basic shape, and then filling them in with strokes that go the same direction as the hair growth to make it look more natural. Then brush it out and apply a black mascara over top to really pop the brows. Going in with a white eyeshadow base, I'm applying it to the inner corner of my eye and all over my eyelid. Once that's all covered and blended out nicely, I'm then going in with a royal blue eyeshadow and applying it to the 3/4 mark of my eye. Making sure to really coat that eyeshadow on. Then going in with a teal and applying it beside that one and slightly blending the line that connects them. Then I'm going in with a gold eyeshadow and I'm applying it to the complete inner corner of my eye and blending it just a little bit where the line meets the teal. Once I have that all done, it should look a little something like that. Now I'm going to go in with a black eyeshadow and apply it to the outermost corner of my eyelid. I'm going to make a slight wing shape and blend in black all of the empty sparse areas that look like they need some eyeshadow. Once I have that done, I'm going in with the black eyeliner and I'm outlining my complete eye all around the eyeshadow. And then on the inner corner, I'm creating some dots just along the liner. Don't forget to apply some eyeliner right above your upper lashes as well for that nice cat eye effect. Now I'm lining with black eyeshadow the lower lash line. Now prepping my eyelashes for some mascara. Making sure to put a nice generous coat on the upper and lower lashes. Once that's done, go ahead and finish the other eye. Now it should look a little something like that. Once we have that all done, I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. Lipstick tan. So going in with a gold lipstick that unfortunately wasn't gold enough for me. So I'm applying it and then I'm going in with the same gold eyeshadow that I applied on my inner corner and popping it on top. And there it is. There's the complete makeup look. Now it's time for the costume. Popping on my wig cap and hiding my luscious locks for this Peggy Sue wig. Putting it on and styling it how I would like it to sit. Now I'm going to go in with the Eye Candy Egyptian Goddess Deluxe costume. And here is what the costume looks like. I really like how this whole outfit came together. The costume colors, the makeup colors, it all just works and blends amazingly. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hi everyone, I'm with Wholesale Halloween Costumes, and this is the Egyptian makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to Wholesale Halloween Costumes, as well as check out my channel, Caitlyn Kreklewich, for more looks like this. Until next time, bye!
The memories crashing into me.